Hello everyone and welcome to 5260 Milton Trl. We are in Milton, Florida today in the 32583. We are just off Highway 90 here, very centrally located to downtown Milton, which has a lot of cute spots, lots of gyms and great restaurants. This is a nice quiet street. There have been kids riding bikes, very neighbor friendly. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home spanning over 1,100 square feet. And in addition, you do also have this lot next door, which the current owners are using for an RV rental. It does have a 50 amp, so you do have income opportunities with this property as well. So lots of updates throughout. This is a 1943 build, so you do have lots of character. There is entrance to the garage with a fan in there, so it is converted. You could use it as extra bonus space, utility area, and there is a fenced-in backyard. So let's go inside and take a look at the 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Another great part about the location of this property is you're close to 4 boat ramps. They're all under 10 minutes away. You have the Russell Harbor boat ramp very close, as well as the Marquis Basin boat ramp. And the Marquis Basin Marina is 0.1 miles away. Coming inside to the living room, you do have neutral paint throughout. Carpets have been freshly cleaned. Got a lot of bright lighting coming through. And I love the little built-ins for the added character. The living room does open to the kitchen here, and you do have a breakfast bar there. And more built-ins as we make our way into the kitchen. 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom are situated in that hallway there, and I'll take you there in the end. We are coming into the dining nook here. So you do have a designated space for a table, and now we have LVP as we get into the kitchen and other areas of the home. Do have white cabinetry, white appliances, and we can see the opening to the living room through this opening here. And just behind the kitchen, you do have another area. Could be another designated dining space, would be a great spot for a desk, flex space, whatever fits your needs. Coming into the primary wing of the home, you do have your washer dryer hookups just off here, just off the kitchen. You've got some extra storage built-ins, and your brand new hot water heater is hiding right behind there. 2026 water heater. And in the primary bathroom, you do have bright lighting, vanity with under sink storage, and a tiled standing shower. Coming into the primary bedroom, which is just off this hallway here, you do have a room with some nice depth. Window overlooking into the backyard. And on the other side of the home, let me take you into the converted garage area first. So that is the entrance from the outside that we saw. We do have lots of shelving in here and storage opportunities. Coming back through the kitchen, I will take you into the other bedrooms. Those bedrooms are carpeted, and the bathroom, I believe, is tile. Right, second full bathroom. We do have tiled floors, bright lighting once again, medicine cabinet for extra storage, and your shower is tiled all the way up. And this one does have a tub shower combo. Updated toilets. Coming into the second full bedroom, do have a closet through there. do have 2 closets in this bedroom. Ceiling fan. So all of these bedrooms do have TVs in them. All right, guys. Once again, this is 5260 Milton Trl. 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a lot for an added rental opportunity. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,100 square feet, has been updated throughout, and you do have a 2026 water heater. Come check out this home in Milton, Florida.